Over the past couple of months, we've been hard at work improving the shipping experience. Let's take a look.
Once you have completed production on your job and uploaded all of your photos, inspection reports, and required documents, you are ready to complete the last step in the job workflow, shipping started. Once the job workflow is complete, click Ship Job to enter our new shipping workflow. The first step in the workflow is picking parts to ship. You will see displayed the parts that are ready to be shipped. I'm going to pick all to include all parts in my shipment. The next step is pack. Now that I've picked all my parts, I can download the packing slip and enter the dimensions and weight of my parcels. Because this shipment has 100 units, I'm going to need multiple parcels. I'll enter in the dimensions and weight for my first parcel, and click Add another parcel. Now that I've packed all my parts, I'll complete packing and be reminded to include the required documents. For this particular job, the only required document is a certificate of conformance. The shipping labels have been generated. I will download the shipping labels, have the opportunity to download a packing slip again just in case I need it, or request custom labels in case I need an LTL freight shipment set up, or in case anything has gone wrong. And this is the new shipping workflow.